What's happening, Moto Dad 92 friends and family? We back at it again. We out here in Nashville, Tennessee, y'all. Day number 2. We're gonna go ahead and get a cold start going. Yes, sir. Phantom trying to cool off. Keeping in that hot heat in Louisiana the whole time, man. I just came right next door from the hotel to the gas station. I had to put that premium in there. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, but we're gonna cut up today. We're gonna ride and enjoy ourselves. Gonna go hit up a few places. I wanna go check out like Nashville motos. And y'all know we got that Insta360. We about to get y'all that crazy footage this weekend. As soon as I link up with Tana and a few other ones, we're gonna cut up a little bit. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just riding. Got the music playing in the background. Let's go, baby. It's a little chillier than South Louisiana is, but it'll be alright. Bro, but man, we chilling. Go this way. I don't even know where it's going. We're going. We're rolling today. So let me tell y'all about this the unfortunate event I had that happen yesterday. Man, we left Thursday afternoon from South Louisiana. Got all the way to Nashville. What's the one thing I forget? The one thing, y'all go ahead and take a guess down, man. Y'all go ahead and take a guess in the comments below. The one thing you forget. And I'll go ahead and tell y'all later. I'll give y'all that one guess right now. Y'all don't even know where I'm going though. See if I can go ahead and bust a U-turn. Look like I'm getting out of this set. I want to go in it. I'm gonna give y'all a hint. As y'all can see, I ain't got my new key tag. But yeah, it's alright. I got it taken care of. Cost me a little bit, but it's alright. We riding, that's all that matters. We riding. That's all I needed. To ride. That's all I needed. Just to be on my 2 wheels. It's your boy Moto Dad 92. We back. Got my boy Willie Hud Jr. in the building, baby. Gonna meet up with Fast Lane D. Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. We out here rolling, baby. Look at that. We got tan in here, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.